Hi, thanks for tuning in. I'm Joan Pagano, welcoming you to part 6 of the 10-part series, The Best Exercises for Osteoporosis Prevention. This article deals with exercises to improve posture. Posture is the way the body aligns itself over the earth. Posture exercises train you to stand, walk, sit, and lie in positions that are optimally aligned to place the least strain on the muscles and the bones. The best exercises to improve posture include spinal alignment, core stabilization, and body mechanics. Spinal alignment ensures that the joints work efficiently. Core stability holds the torso in alignment as you move your arms and legs. Body mechanics are good posture in motion, the way you hold yourself when you move. This article includes more details on all of these, as well as a video on 2 easy exercises to align the spine. So please enjoy the article, try the exercises, share them with whomever might benefit, and please let me know how you find them. Remember, this is only part 6 of the 10-part series. There's more to come, so please stay tuned. Thanks so much.